Hello everybody. In this question, we will try to use the matrix in real world problem. To understand this point, let us go through this question. So we have this matrix and the matrix P, here is the matrix P, shows the fares for a local bus and subway. To promote the use of public transportation on Earth Day, the city will be discounting all fares by 25%. So the discount is 25% for each bus and each subway. Fill in the blank to complete the matrix S. Here is the new matrix S, which shows the discount price. And this is very important. So we need to concentrate on the discount price. Round each price to the nearest hundredth. I will start with you guys with one example so we can model it together. So we have first like 1.5 for example. Okay, so we have 1.5 and the discount for the $1.5 is 25%. Let's explain first the 25%. So 25% is equal to 25 multiplied. So we can deal with the percentage here as over 100. So 1 divided by 100. So now here is 25. We can add a decimal and 0. There is no value here for the 0 in this case, but we can divide it by 100. So we take the decimal to the left, 1, 2, because we have two zeros. So the answer will be 0.25. This is the discount, but the price, any customer will pay exactly 100% minus 25%. So the customer will pay 75%. 75% of the price, which is 1.5. 75% is equal to 75 multiplied by 1 over 100, which is equal to 0.75. So to find the discounted price, we need to multiply by 0.75. To do this, let's start with the first one, which is in the column 1 and the row 1. So we have here the column 1 and we have the row 1. So the answer will be in this space. So we will start with the 1.5. So here is the 1.5, and then we need to multiply it by 0.75. So 1.5, we need to multiply it by 0.75, and the answer is, as you can see, 1.125. In the question is asking me the price for nearest hundredth. So in this case, here is the ones, here is the ones, here is the tenths, here is the hundredths, and here is the thousandths. So we need to write the answer to the nearest hundredths. So here is the hundredths, which is 2, before 2 or after 2, which is 5. If the number is more than or equal 5, so we need to add 2 to the 1 to the 2. So 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Then we write the answer like this: 1.1, then 3. So the answer will be 1.13. Let's check the answer. I don't need all that now. So here is 1.13. The answer is correct. I will make another model for you guys before we stop the video, and then give you a time to try it by yourself. So for example, we can choose this one, which is in the second column but the third row, and in this case the answer will be written here, second column and third row. So the answer will be written here. So to make it easy for you guys, let's go through the question quickly. Like so we will start with the 33 as here, times 0.75. We can use the calculator like this. So 33 multiplied by 0.75. The answer is 24.75. We need we don't need now to make it like for the nearest hundredth, because exactly what we have is just hundredth. We don't have thousandth, so we will keep the answer the same like this. So the answer will be 24.75. Check the answer. This is the right answer. Now you are free now to pause the video and try to find the other elements, and then we go back together. Okay, so now we will start with the 2.1 multiplied by 0.75. The answer will be 1.575. We can see that in the thousandth we have 5, so we need to add 1 to the 7. So the answer will be 1.58. The answer will be 1.58. And for the $13, the answer is 9.75. So we just write it like this, 9.75. And for the $18, we have 13.5. So we can write it like 13.50, for example. And for the $25, the answer is 18.75. 18.75. Let's check the answers. The answers are true. Hope you get this idea, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.